This is not the channel, and please subscribe our channel and please click on the notification bells.
Alright.
And then I will send you all my notifications to you. And then when you're so happy, you must like my videos. And then when you want to watch more videos of me, then just spell my name Natilin.
Hesitate to open kasi yan yung regalo ko para sa birthday niya at nahanap niya sa loob ng bahay.
Wow, it's a glass. That's very careful. I thought it was a gold medal. Wow, it's my favorite. You bought Astronaut for me?
Yes.
Wow.
Because I know you like to go to space.
Well, maybe when I go space, I will put something to stabilize this. When next time when I'm an astronaut, I will bring this. I will also buy it for my family. But not for their birthdays, just for a surprise. The green party, are you just kidding me?
Yeah.
You never bought it for me.
Okay, can you show?
It's an ornament.
Yeah, can you show?
What is this, like a moon?
It's in the space, right?
I think I will name this me.
Natilin, astronaut? Are you happy for that?
Yeah, it's so cute. Do you notice that it was so cute? I wanted to look in there and then I was so surprised that I like it so much. Hey, Mommy, why don't Mommy, do you notice that I'm stepping on the moon's surface?
Yeah. Okay, you tell us about the space.
I step on the moon's surface. I jump so high and then I collect a moonwalk for you.
Okay.
And then I will go to Mars. Then I go on the planets.
What are the planets?
Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
Wow.
Pluto used to be a planet, but now it's like the Astronaut Union in Paris. The most Pluto. I can't know which year. I can't know which year. How about this one? Wow. Remember my granny bought me. Remember my granny. Why is it? It's gold. Is it's made from gold? It's the astronauts? It's the white, but it's gold. When did you bought this or you just make it?
I bought.
From where?
Secret.
What? From where?
Wait.
Sorry, Mommy, that I found this. My mommy.
Because it's my birthday gift for you. Yeah. So how now you find my birthday gift? You're not surprised anymore.
Then, sorry, Mommy.
But are you happy for that?
Yeah, but last night I was dreaming that you could buy this. Then I could see, and then it could be there. And if I already saw it, I would be so happy. Then I would just jump out to the moon with joy.
Yeah.
Is this the Mars surface or the moon surface?
Maybe it's in the moon.
Moon, but I don't see any craters. I thought moon have crater. I thought it would be like the astronaut is on the moon and then
He's walking.
Yeah. But does it have others?
Yes.
The others are like standing on the moon or walking on the moon or jumping on the moon?
I think they are like,
Same?
yeah,
Same. Oh my goodness, it's so boring with all the sames.
yeah.
When did you bought this at
Big dog.
Big Dog? I was guessed correctly, I told you. Can I bring this to my granny house and then my granny say, wow, Natalie, who made that for you? I thought she will say, I made that for you again. Mommy, why World Water Day is on 22nd of March? Why, Mama?
It's held on 22nd of March to awareness of water awareness.
Is it to women people
Yeah,
use water?
yeah, that no water, so you have to save more water. How you gonna save water? Can you tell me?
Off the tap while brushing your teeth.
What else?
Collect rainwater to wash your plants.
Watering the plant. To watering the plants. What else?
When you wash your clothes, then you wash the floor.
Use the water to wash the floor. What else?
Use a bucket
What else?
of the shower when you're soaping yourself.
Yeah. What else?
Use your seat to watch vegetable.
Fruits and vegetables. So what else?
Use a bucket with a rag to wash your car.
Correct.
Is that all?
Yeah.
Oh look at these. The astronaut can do backflip in space.
Okay.
Nice. What do you think? Space. I was space. I would be like that.
You want to be a?
Well, number 3.
You want to be an astronaut? Why?
Because in space, I want to secrets of the solar system. And beyond.
Do you love space? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, Nathalie. Happy birthday to you. Wish you very happy birthday, Nathalie. Lot of love.
God bless you.